so
Mhm.
I put clods in rather than. He's got one. This one, right? See that, no chick? See that? Ouch.
You can see inside their little house there.
Yeah.
They like it under there, I guess.
They've been nesting in the, sleeping in this, sort of curled up on top of this.
Mhm.